Will I kindly read the next super chat in Ada voice? I don't know if this super chat's gonna make much sense in an Ada voice, but I guess that's the fun of it, isn't it? Hold on. I need to calibrate. Ada. I was a trombone player in middle school, but it was just the instrument I was assigned. I didn't socialize with anyone, though, so I can't really tell you whether my classmates fit any archetypes. Man, where can I meet this trombone player? I wonder if I can get my super red with trombone noises. I've already closed the game. I was about to do something very un-idolish, which is... I'm afraid to make a trombone sound with my mouth, because you know what it's gonna sound like. Toot toot! What do you mean? I can't mean anything. Don't worry about it. Raspberries? What about this kind? I'm really bad at this, actually. This is also a vocal exercise that I do with my voice teacher. And I'm not good at it. I always lose the power, which means that my... Oh, I don't know. My airflow is wrong. See, I lose it. Thank you, Estella.